So, you just unboxed the brand new Google Pixel 10a. With the new Tensor G5 chip and that updated design, this is easily the best mid-range phone Google has ever made. But before you start downloading all your apps, there are 15 things you need to do to get the most out of it. Let's jump in. 1. Register multiple fingerprints. Go to Settings, then Security. Register your primary thumb twice. It sounds redundant, but it significantly increases the speed and accuracy of the under-display sensor. 2. Set up Face Unlock Class 3. The 10A supports the highest level of Android biometrics. Set this up immediately so you can use your face to sign into banking apps and make payments, not just unlock your lock screen. 3. Enable Smooth Display. By default, the phone might be set to 60 Hz to save battery. Go to Display Settings and toggle on Smooth Display. This forces the 120 Hz refresh rate, making every swipe and scroll feel buttery smooth. 4. Adaptive charging. If you plug your phone in overnight, turn this on in battery settings. It learns your alarm cycle and waits to hit 100% until right before you wake up, which massively extends the long-term health of your battery. 5. Customize the power button. Out of the box, holding the power button triggers Gemini. If you prefer the traditional power off and restart menu, go to System Gestures and change the press and hold power button setting. 6. Flip to Shh. This is a classic Pixel feature. Search for it in Settings and turn it on. Now, whenever you place your phone face down on a table, it automatically enters Do Not Disturb mode. 7. Screen Attention. Under Display Settings, enable Screen Attention. It uses the front camera to detect if you're looking at the screen, preventing it from dimming or turning off while you're reading an article. 8. Battery percentage. The battery icon is a bit vague by default. Go to Battery Settings and toggle on the actual percentage so you aren't guessing how much juice you have left. 9. Magic Editor and Best Take. Open the Google Photos app and try out the AI tools. Since the 10A has the Tensor G5, features like Best Take, where you can swap faces and group photos, and Magic Editor are faster than ever. 10. Audio Magic Eraser. Film a quick video outside, then hit Edit and Audio. You can literally erase the sound of wind or traffic while keeping your voice clear. It's a game changer for social media posts. 11. Live Translate. Go to System and then Live Translate. Download your local languages. This allows the phone to translate Instagram captions, text messages, and even live signs through the camera completely offline. 12. Notification History. We've all accidentally swiped away an important notification. Turn on Notification History in your settings so you can go back and see everything you missed from the last 24 hours. 13. At a glance customization. Long press on your home screen and hit At a Glance. You can set it to show your doorbell feed, flight departures, or even your fitness stats directly on the home screen. 14. Diagnostic Tools. The Pixel 10a includes a component health section. Use this to run a quick test on your screen and battery health to make sure your hardware is perfect right from the start. 15. Themed icons. To wrap it all up, go to Wallpaper and Style and turn on themed icons. This forces your app icons to match your wallpaper colors, giving the Pixel that iconic, clean look.